Hello, I wish there was a complaint. Hello, miss. Why, you're being missed. I'm sorry, I haven't heard. I wish to make a complaint. We're closing for lunch. Never mind that, my lad. I wish you complain about the parrot I had purchased. It was very bushy. Oh, yes, the Norwegian blue. What's wrong with it? I'll tell you what's wrong with it, my lad. It's dead. That's what's wrong with it. No. He's just resting. Look, I know a dead parrot when I see one, and I'm looking at one right now. No, he's not dead. He's resting. Remarkable bird, eh? Beautiful plumage. The plumage will enter into it. It's still dead. No. He is resting. Alright then, if he's resting, I'll wake him up. Hello, Polly! I'm lovely first cuddlefish of your show. Hello! There, he moved! No, he didn't. I was shooting him. I never. Yes, you did. I never did anything. Hello, Polly! Did you got a long call? Now that's what I call a parrot. Well, he's stunned. Yeah, you stunned him just as he was waking up. Norwegian blue stunned easily, Major. Look, I've definitely had enough of this. That parrot is definitely deceased. When I purchased it, you assured me that it was tired, shagged out, falling for long squats. Well, we all staring at me. He's probably pining for the fjord. Pining for the fjord? What kind of talk is that? What are you going to flout his back when I got him home? Ah, the Norwegian blue will first keep it on his back. Not good, isn't it, Scott? Look, I took the liberty of examining that pet when I got him home. And the only reason he was sitting on his perch in the first place is that he was nailed there. Well, of course he had been nailed there. If I had nailed that bird down, he would have nuzzled up to the vase, bent on Paulus' beak, and boom! Bye-bye, birdie. Hey, this bird was very fit for me in Bolt Street. He's beating the mine. No, he's pining. He's not pining. He's passed on. He's kicked the bucket. He's breathed to life. He's a sip. He's run down the cut and joined the being quite visible. This is the next parrot. Well, I better replace him then. Sorry, Squire. I had to look around the back of the shop and, right out of parrots. I see, I get the picture. I got a slug. Not really. That's hardly a blood replacement then, is it? Now look, you can go to my brother's pet shop in Bolton, and he'll replace a pair for you. Here's his card. Bolton, eh? Very well. This is Bolton, is it? No, this is Deep Switch. That is still rare for you.